Good morning, dear children. Children, in previous video class, we have done lesson number 8, isn't it? Now, today we are going to complete worksheet of lesson number 8. And the name of the lesson is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. So, let's begin. Question number first main. Put a tick mark for true and cross mark for the false statement. Okay. Question A. The stranger had a stick in his hand. Yes. The stranger had a stick in his hand. It's true. Question B. The stranger touched the rock with his hand. No, it is false statement. The stranger touched the rock with his stick. Okay. Question C. Aladdin closed the cave with the rock and went away. No, this is also false statement. Who closed the cave? Yes, that stranger person, isn't it? Stranger person closed the cave and with the rock and went away. Okay. Question D. Aladdin sold the lamp and became very rich. No, this statement is false. Aladdin did not sell the lamp. Okay. Question E. Aladdin's mother asked the Sultan to give the princess in marriage to Aladdin. Yes, this one is true, correct. Okay. Question F. Aladdin's palace was more beautiful than Sultan's palace. Yes, this statement is true, correct. Okay. Next question. Fill in the blanks. Question A. Aladdin was playing with his friends. Playing. Playing. Question B. The strange man was a magician. 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 Question C. Aladdin went down the steps and soon reached the garden. Reached. Reached. Question D. It was more beautiful than his own palace. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next, Aladdin became a handsome young man. Aladdin. Aladdin. Question F. The whole town was full of joy and pleasure. 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 Now answer the following question. Will do. Okay. Question number A. What did the stranger ask Aladdin when he was playing? And the answer is the stranger asked Aladdin to go with him. Question B. What happened when Aladdin rubbed the lamp? And the answer is when Aladdin rubbed the lamp, a huge genie appeared before him and said, "What would you like me to do?" Question C. What did Aladdin ask the genie of the lamp? And the answer is Aladdin asked the genie to bring them food as they were hungry. Question D. What did Aladdin's mother request the Sultan? And the answer is Aladdin's mother requested the Sultan to give the princess in marriage to Aladdin. Question E. What did Sultan ask Aladdin to do? And the answer is the Sultan asked Aladdin to arrange a grand palace for his daughter. Question F. What did the Sultan do after seeing the palace? And the answer is the Sultan gave orders to make arrangements for the marriage. Okay. Next. Tell who said to whom. Now here children, question number A. If you come with me, I'll give you a wonderful gift. So who said this? Stranger said this. Okay. To whom he said this? To Aladdin. Okay. Next, question B. What shall I do there? Aladdin said. To stranger. Okay. Command me. I am ready to obey. Who said that? Genie said that. To whom he said? To Aladdin. Okay. What would you like me to do? Who said this? Genie said. Okay. To whom? To Aladdin. Okay. Build a beautiful palace for me. Who said this? Aladdin said this. To whom? To Genie he said this. Okay. Use was or were in the following sentences. Question A. I. I is a singular subject, so we have to put was. I was going. Going is verb plus ing. Okay. Go is a verb, ing we have to add. Okay. To the marketplace. Question B. He. He is also singular subject, so we have to put was. He was reading a short story book. Okay. You were playing your favorite game. So with you we have to put were. Question D. They were sleeping for 2 hours. Okay. So here with they is plural subject. So we have to add, we have to put were. Okay. Question number 6. Complete the following sentences using is or am or are or was were. Okay. Question A. They are going to play badminton now. Question B. It was raining heavily in the morning. Question C. We were going to attend a marriage party yesterday. Question D. He was weeping after losing the game that day. Question E. I am not going to help you if you do not improve. Now next. Question number 7. Here, write the story with the help of the pictures and words given in the boxes. So here some pictures are given and some words are given. Okay. So with the help of pictures and these words, we have to complete this story. Okay. A fisherman spread his net in the sea. You can see in picture number 1, he is a fisherman and he spread his net in the sea. No fish came. Okay. No fish came in the net. Finally, the fisherman got a pot in his net. You can see fisherman got a net. The fisherman opened the pot. You can see in the picture, fisherman opened the pot. A genie appeared out of the pot. Here you can see the genie. The genie was ready to eat the fisherman. Okay, here we can see. The fisherman played a trick. He asked the genie to prove that he could get into the pot. The genie got back into the pot. Now, the fisherman closed the pot tightly and threw the pot into the sea. So children, this chapter is completed. Now please complete all your notes. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.